Hey everybody, second video. My name is Denny. I'm the founder of Gardena.health, and we're focusing today on a new topic which I'm gonna discuss with my co-host Dennis, who is the video editor and the guy who manages all the social media and is helping me out with growing this channel. Hey Dennis, introduce yourself.
Oh, hi, I'm Dennis, a social media manager by profession and also a creative media specialist, working hand in hand with my friend Dennis Love Tonoko.
Why did you have to say my surname? It's like, God damn it. Like, we don't have to be so formal. Anyways, guys, today, God damn it. Anyways, guys, today's topic is about why Gen Z and millennials are gardening more and more than any other generation and why the trend is going up, you know? And, this one is a more statistical one. It's not as fun as the other topics I had in mind, but it's important because people are going into gardening more and more. So the statistics say that around 63% of Gen Z are going into planting. They're starting to figure out how to grow their own garden. They're starting to figure out and starting to be more curious about growing plants, eating more healthy, and just living life in a healthier way, which is very different, by the way, from what Gen X is doing. I don't know about the young generation, but me and you, we're doing things right. Like the young ones are, they're all kinds of messed up. But yeah, Gen Z and
Well,
millennials were more and more interested into gardening and growing vegetables and stuff. So
wait, you want to say the TikTok generation is out here gardening more than their parents?
yeah,
Because that's crazy. Wow.
it is a bit crazy because people are used to, processed food, they've got the short attention span, but there's apparently a big shift, you know. People are shifting more and more into organic food, organic gardening, do it yourself, DIY, and yeah, I guess it's a new trend and people are just trying to, I guess, escape buying food from the grocery store, just, going into their gardens, planting more, Even me today, like, let me actually bring something out. I've been planting like tomato seeds and I've planted a couple last week. Let me show you some of the results. Look at that. Like,
Wow.
this is
This
pure tomato seeds.
is crazy. I didn't. Wow.
Yeah,
Just out of what?
this happened in like a week. Like, you just get some soil, you plant them. By the way, here's one cool trick I figured out. So, if you plant tomato seeds and you water them daily, but you move them from a cold part of the house to a hotter one, a warmer one, then they become more resilient. And once you plant them outside, they can survive for longer, you know? Like, that's
That's a
cool.
challenge. That's quite a challenge because, well, I'm even surprised.
Yeah. Like,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it's fun, planting and stuff. It's also
Yeah.
interesting why Gen X, for example, isn't interested in that, because it's an outdoors activity. You're learning more about nature, you're learning more about planting, you're trying to connect to nature, which is also very helpful, you know.
Actually,
Like
also
the
in regards to that. I've discovered that most urban farmers, maybe people who live in cities and in towns, almost 82% of those people who live there, they have reported some improvements when it comes to physical health, when it comes to their health, because these guys they are taking natural stuffs.
That's kind of exactly what I was gonna hit on because, like, imagine this: you're going to work, you're stressed out, boss is pissed off, like clients are coming in, you need to focus on so many different issues and problems. And then when you come home, instead of going to TikTok, watching some reels, watching some shorts and stuff, and just scrolling, doom scrolling, forgetting to eat and drink, you just go outside, you plant a couple of trees, it is cardio, it is exercise. You're connecting with nature, you know, you're escaping the stress. And there's actually studies showing that it is very beneficial in terms of cardiovascular health. I was gonna say that besides your stress dropping by 20 to 30% at minimum, because you're going outside, you're planting, you're connecting with nature, you know, you also get vitamin D, which is crucial. You know, it's important for your immune system, it's important for your mental well being, it's important for just your whole body functioning. So, yeah.
But now,
Pl-
but the sleeping angle is quite underrated. I don't know. Everyone is struggling with sleep and insomnia here and there.
yeah, like sleeping is probably the most crucial thing a person can do if they want to be healthy, you know? Like, you can't go to work if you're tired. You can't go planting outside if you're tired, if you don't feel like it, because you're just sleep deprived, you know? So another angle in which gardening and going on out on your balcony and gardening is helpful is by resetting your circadian rhythm. Like imagine this, you're going outside after work, gardening, you see the sun go down, you haven't been on your phone for, I don't know, 4 hours,
Oh,
and you're like, you know what, it's time to eat and go to bed. You know, it's resetting your circadian rhythm in real time as well. So it's very good.
okay, on the topic of Generation Z and the millennium, most of them are complaining like they don't have the big lands and yet they have a balcony in their apartments. So if it's okay, you can advise us maybe how you started your journey, because actually it's only 1 week and I challenged you, and now I can see you have a plant actually you're growing and it's crazy.
Yeah, you did
So
challenge
maybe
me, and you didn't complete the challenge, but I started the challenge. You didn't even start, but that's okay. You know, we move on.
I have
That
one.
yeah, he's flexing as well. Okay, that's cool, cool. But yeah, anyways, guys, on a serious note, like this thing costed me cents. You know, like it's very cheap to start this. These are tomato seeds, which you can get from one tomato plant or from one tomato, and you can just spare the seeds. You know, eat the tomato, obviously. Spare the seeds. God damn it, Dennis. This the sow doesn't have to be some premium sow and have some fertilizers and stuff in it. You can just get some sow from everywhere around you because you know there's sow everywhere. And you just need to water it like once per day. You know, obviously you can do it from a bottle. You know, like you can do it from a bottle like this, but you just need to cut it, obviously, and you also need to cut holes on the bottom, like so it can drain as well. And that's it. Like honestly, there's not much to it, but by the end of it, you get some fresh tomatoes. Like instead of going to the shop spending like I don't know $10 for tomatoes, yeah,
So does it mean I eat tomato without the seeds? I can remove.
yeah. Dennis, like you can't eat the tomato without some of the seeds. God damn it! Don't be
If I
greedy,
remove
nah. Like, yeah, it needs to be like a surgeon. Go in there and remove each seed separately, and then eat the tomato.
oh yeah, that's. I'll try that actually. That's a
It's a
that's a
bit
challenge.
Yeah, it's a bit geeky, it's a bit nerdy, but you know, like it is what it is. I mean, look at that. If you do some of that nerdy stuff, then boom, you can flex on your friends. Like, look at that, Dennis. See what I have. See what you don't have. Boom, tomato seeds.
Yeah, hey, that's crazy. Well,
uh,
okay, what's your entry point actually? Like someone listening to this and they want to start, what do they do?
what they do? I mean, they can first of all go onto my website or our website, Gradina.space. You know, they can learn more. They can look at the articles. They can educate themselves. And yeah, then they can just look into some of the podcasts that we've done, you know, start figuring out how they can start their journey, figure out the cheap container to use, get some soil, and yeah, figure out what seeds to use, what seeds sprout in the climate that they have, the seeds that are best for this season, and yeah, stuff like that, you know. Doesn't cost much. Yeah, guys, please subscribe. We're new to this. We're trying to do something good for the community. You know, we're just two guys hustling. And yeah, your subscription is very much appreciated. And yeah, I guess we'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.